It is Friday, day 165, and we're going to have a quiz over telling time by reading a clock or by finding the elapsed time. So I'm going to just review both of the examples so that you can refresh your mind on how to use the steps to answer each type of question. So this first review question, I have a clock and I need to find the time on the clock. Using my criteria for success, the first thing it says is to label the numbers by skip counting by 5. So starting here, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, and then we're back at 0 because the time starts over when that minute hand reaches the 12. Says the hour hand, which is the shorthand, draw my line through. I'm noticing that the hour hand is between 10 and 11, so I'm going to lean back and take the smaller number, so the hour is going to be 10. Cross that out. The minute hand, I do the same thing, trace the minute hand through. I notice that the minute hand, even though that was a terrible line, is between the 4 and the 5. So if I skip count 5, 10, 15, 20, and then each of these dots represent 1, 21, 22. So this stopped at 22. So now I'm going to combine the hour and the minute. The hour was 10. Draw my symbol for time, 22. So the time on this clock is 10:22. That is how I find the time on a clock. The other type of question is elapsed time. How much time happened between two events? Here's my criteria for success that I'm going to follow. First step says write the start time, draw the Z, then write the end time. So started at 7:38, draw the Z, it ended at 11:03. Okay. Starting with the minute, I'm counting up to the next hour. I know hours turn over when the minutes are back at 0. So from 38, I'm going to count up 48, 58, that's 20. And then from 58, 59, 60, so that's 22 minutes to get me to this next hour at 8 o'clock. To get from 8 to this next hour of 11, that's 8 over to 11. 8, 9, 10, 11. Oh, that's 3 hours to get me to 11. And now from 11 to the end time minute of 3, well, from 11 o'clock to 11:03 is just 3 minutes. So now I need to add my minutes together. 22, 3. It's going to give me 25 minutes total. And now I can combine the total hours, which was 3 hours and 25 minutes. And this is my total elapsed time. So using the criteria for success, you are going to have to answer questions finding the elapsed time as well as finding the time on a clock. Please make sure you use the criteria for success for every single question. Even if you're like, I know how to do this, I got it. The criteria for success is there to help you make sure you do not forget any important steps in finding the answer. If you have any questions, do your best. Use the criteria for success to help you. You can always reach out by emailing, texting, or calling if you have any questions. All right, good luck.